The Maxprep Liquid Handler and Maxwell RSC48 will help you meet growing throughput demands with increased automation and hands-free sample preparation. The Maxprep Liquid Handler automates sample processing and prepares Maxwell cartridges for nucleic acid extraction. The instrument also performs post-extraction sample handling tasks like adding quantification dye, normalizing samples, and PCR reaction setup. Sample barcodes are automatically scanned as they are placed on the Maxprep Liquid Handler. The portal software monitors and tracks the sample IDs as they move through the workflow. The Maxprep software is designed to be used by anyone in the lab. The software interface guides users through setup of the liquid handler in minutes. Samples are transferred from the primary tubes to a preparation plate. Both capacitive and pressure-based liquid sensing minimizes tip contact with biological fluids and detects plugged tips. The Maxprep instrument uses a zero-force tip eject, which removes the formation of aerosols. Reagents are placed onto the Maxprep liquid handler directly from the Maxwell kits. The liquid handler will add reagents such as proteinase K and lysis buffer depending on the extraction being performed. The Maxprep plate movement and integrated heating and shaking capabilities provide everything needed for the incubation steps with the Maxwell chemistries. The instrument efficiently completes additional Maxwell cartridge preparation steps, such as placing plungers and filling elution tubes while incubation is occurring. Specialized tools are used that allow the pipetting channels to automatically place plungers directly into the Maxwell cartridges. Once incubation is complete, the samples are transferred directly to the Maxwell cartridges, and the trays are ready for transfer to the Maxwell RSC or RSC48 instrument. Portal software records sample tracking information associated with the trays processed on the Maxprep liquid handler and automatically passes this information to the Maxwell instrument when the tray barcodes are scanned. The Maxwell RSC48 extracts nucleic acids from 1 to 48 samples. An integrated vision system scans each tray prior to extraction and notifies you of any tray setup errors, like missing plungers, cartridge positions, or closed elution tube caps. This modular workflow allows you to create an assembly line approach to extractions. While the Maxwell instrument is busy extracting one set of samples, the Maxprep liquid handler can immediately begin preparing the next step for processing. The efficiency and flexibility of the Maxwell cartridge system lets you process samples on demand by not having to batch samples for full 96 well plate runs and eliminate reagent waste. The cohesive modularity of the Maxprep liquid handler and the Maxwell RSC instruments will let you expand your system as your laboratory needs change. If you're starting with a Maxwell RSC today, you can add the Maxwell RSC48 for higher capacity and the Maxprep liquid handler for hands-free sample preparation as your throughput needs grow.